We are here today for Bayview Kubota's Construction Field Day, and we're going to go over our excavators and our track loaders. Today we have the SVL 65, the SVL 75, and the SVL 97, and we also brought the SSV 75 model. We have the U27 excavator, two KX080s, KX057, and then the KX080 with a Kubota tilt rotator. Everybody is hopping right into that KX080 with the tilt rotator. It's what everyone wants to see, and that's why we have so many people coming by today. So the attachments we brought today are going to be our trenching bucket. We brought the tilt rotator itself with the pincher. You're going to have your pallet forks, your grapple, your sweeper, and your roller. It's the first time I've gotten to do anything like this in Fredericton for our company. And it's really the first time I've gotten to spend all day playing in this equipment. I always get to hit the customer and drop it off to them and have them be happy and see the excitement on their face. It's a whole other thing when I get to get in there and play with it and live out what everybody else is doing. First reactions would be just the comfortability, how smooth and easy it is to operate, and just the overall space. You know, we have a ton of cabin space in all of our equipment, and I think that's the number one thing for a lot of people. It's extremely important to have these events because everybody talks about how great their equipment is, but nobody actually gets to know until you get in the seat. So we decided that we were going to show everybody exactly why Kubota's the #1 product on the market right now.